Kereshme ba Muyeh. This gushe is a combination of two forms, Kereshme and then Muyeh. Muyeh, I believe, introduces the E, a new tetrachord in the Daska Sega. So we have the beginning. That's Kereshme, and then it starts to go into Muyeh. Muyeh introduces this tetrachord. So the C, D, E. Then we have some other forms where we go into, this is like a 7. 1 2 3 1 2 1 2 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 1 2 1 2 3 1 2 1 2. Then it goes into some variations. So where Muyeh comes in, Muyeh introduces the higher trichord. Then Furud comes down to A chord flat. Now we get into some more variations, and then the gushe ends. Comes back to Furud. So it's very important, this last passage. That is introducing that higher range of sega. This is very important there. That's Muyeh. Then before the return to the main section of Sega, we have an area which creates energy, which creates finality and a sense of resolving. So that part there. That's the area that goes down to G and then up to, so it's using this whole tetrachord and then always ending on A quarter flat, showing the dastgah Sega. Kereshme va Muyeh really expresses a lot of the dastgah of Sega. It really goes through a lot of the different areas that we have. So it's a very complete gushe, I think, because it combines the poetic side of Kereshme and then the melodic addition of Muyeh. That's about it.